Trying to raise my hand. I found you quite knowledgeable and very clear with the intention that okay, this specific behavior and this specific strategy. That's something that I really liked and something which I can take back to my classroom. Very useful. Thank you.
Session was so informative and really interesting and interactive. And though I'm not teaching any ADHD child, this is out of, my love later on as a social responsibility. I'm just doing this course. And it was so interactive. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for this.
Session was very informative. I really loved it. I've been literally writing notes here and there, everything, whatever you have been saying, and I'm definitely going to implement it in my school and with my students. So thank you so much. I loved it.
Too good. And actually, I was waiting for this ADHD session because ADHD kids are the most difficult to handle, as far as I know. So you have given us a lot of information and a lot of activities to conduct in class, how to handle them better. So thank you so much. This session was very useful for me.
Yes, I didn't know how 3 hours of my time just went. So it was very interactive and informative, of course. And I am an early educator. So all your points are into my brain. It's a good input for me. Thank you so much for all your thoughts. Thank you so much.
The session was very useful, ma'am, especially the good touch, bad touch were lastly addressed, ma'am. That was very nice, ma'am. Overall session was very helpful, ma'am. I have a speech delay kid. It's really helpful for me to
really short for us. And it was very interactive. You actually gave every one of us a chance to share our own experiences, and through that, you have given us a good ideas, good platform for how we can improve our own behavior and attitude towards such children. We are really thankful to you. We are really looking forward to more of your tips and suggestions. I don't know if you have a channel of your own, like a YouTube channel or something, but please start one soon. You are really educated and you really know your stuff. You really know what you are talking, and that would be very helpful if you could share your, knowledge with all of us through a channel. You have been so interactive. That's why. Thank you for this lovely session, ma'am.
I would like to say that it was one thing is very interactive session and very informative. So you made it very simpler, certain strategies that we have to follow and all those things. Though the notes were there, while you explained, it was very easy to understand and made it very simpler. So it was a good session and to pay attention throughout. That's the best.